The operating room is bathed in a cold, sterile light. A patient lies still, their life tethered to the hum of advanced machinery. But the hands poised to make the first incision are not human. They are a marvel of polished chrome and intricate wiring. Guided by an artificial intelligence, a human surgeon stands by, her face a mask of concentration, watching the monitors as the robotic arms begin their delicate work. Suddenly, an alarm blares. A cascade of red warnings floods the screen. An unexpected arterial bleed, a complication not predicted in any scan. The machine pauses, its metallic fingers hovering just millimeters above the patient. The human surgeon's breath catches in her throat. For a moment, the future of medicine hangs in the balance, held within the circuits of an AI. This scene, once the domain of science fiction, is rapidly becoming our reality. The journey of surgical robots began decades ago, with systems designed to enhance a human surgeon's capabilities, offering a steadier hand and a magnified view. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new era, where these machines are evolving from mere tools into autonomous partners. Imagine a surgeon with the precision of a micron, the stamina to operate for days without fatigue, and instant access to a global database containing every recorded surgical procedure and outcome. This is the promise of AI in the operating room, a future where superhuman precision minimizes human error and complex procedures become safer and more accessible to everyone, everywhere. However, this leap forward is not without its shadows. For every life saved by robotic precision, a chorus of concerns grows louder. What happens if the system crashes mid-operation? How do we protect a machine that holds a life in its hands from malicious hacking? And perhaps the most profound question of all, can an algorithm, no matter how advanced, ever replicate the nuanced intuition and empathetic touch of a human doctor? We fear the loss of the human element, the unquantifiable judgment that comes from years of experience and a deep connection to the patient. It's a classic conflict, the cold, calculating logic of a machine versus the wisdom and compassion of its human creator. Back in the tense operating room, the AI's processors are firing at light speed. In less than a nanosecond, it cross-references the patient's vitals against millions of surgical case files, analyzing outcomes from every corner of the globe. The human surgeon watches, ready to intervene, but the AI does something astonishing. It deviates from standard protocol, performing a novel and counterintuitive maneuver to cauterize the bleed, a technique so audacious that no human surgeon, bound by convention and training, would have ever dared to attempt it. The bleeding stops. The alarms fall silent. The human surgeon stares at the monitor, a mixture of shock and awe spreading across her face as she witnesses the impossible made possible. The operation is a resounding success. The patient's life saved not by replacing the human surgeon, but by augmenting her expertise with the limitless potential of AI. The future of surgery isn't a battle between man and machine. It's a symbiosis, a partnership where human oversight guides robotic precision. It's about creating a new kind of surgeon, one who combines human empathy with artificial intelligence. The scalpel is now guided by code, capable of feats beyond our wildest imagination. The only question that remains is a simple yet profound one. Are we ready to trust it?